Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fully disable the touchscreen on Dell 6320 Detachable. You can disable the touchscreen so within any operating system that you have it will not be available. And to do that you need to be in the BIOS. If you don't know how to do it, there is a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS on Dell 6320 Detachable. Then you should go into display, and now you can disable or enable touchscreen. This will change whether the touchscreen is enabled or disabled for the operating system, but it will not change the setting in BIOS. In BIOS, your touchscreen will always work because you may not have a mouse and you may need to enter the BIOS, so it will always work. So don't worry if you disable that, you will still be able to use it in the BIOS. Remember that after changing this setting you should click on apply changes, then OK. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.